Just flew in from Seoul, South Korea.
I'm from Nixa, Missouri.
Springfield, Missouri.
Minneapolis, Minnesota.
And Vic, also from London.
It's about a 13-hour flight.
About 7.5 hours.
I think it's really important to know exactly what you believe and why you believe it.
I'm going to be out in the world by myself, so it's up to me, you know. It's my responsibility to be equipped, so that's why I'm here.
I remember like walking away feeling really empowered, like really like ready to go spread God's word.
How do we know God exists? Because he's not just evident everywhere, but he's shown up. Emmanuel, God with us.
The Bible has been under attack since its very beginning, but it's a supernatural survivor. It's a fighter. The tyrant attacks, the skeptic mocks, but the word of our God stands forever.